How are you all of you? Dear students, today we are going to discussing about the continuity. Okay. First, let us discuss what is the continuity. See. Right on. Yeah, very good morning. Dear students, see, what is that? Keep waiting. Chapter name is continuity. The function f is said to be continuous at x is equal to c if limit extends to c, f of x is equal to f of c. Or equivalent, you can say like this one, dear students. What is the case? Limit extends to c, f of x is equal to f of c, then f is called as continuous at x is equal to c. That is the meaning. Fine. Second, see the second definition, all of you. The function f is said to be continuous on an open interval a comma b if it is continuous at each point of a comma b open interval. Okay, now see another definition. 1, 2, 3. The function f is said to be continuous on closed interval a comma b. Second one is what is open interval a comma b. Third one is closed interval a comma b. Fine. What is the meaning? 1. So what is the meaning? F is continuous at each point of open interval a comma b. 2. So these three conditions should satisfy the given conditions. Limit extends to a plus f of x is equal to f of a. That is right hand side continuity. Right continuous at x is equal to a. That's the meaning. Third one is what? Limit extends to b minus f of x is equal to f of b. Then that is called as left continuous at x is equal to b. Dear students, so for you I'm writing another way. For the difference continuous means what here? F is said to be continuous at x is equal to a. So what is the meaning here? If f is defined in a neighborhood of a and limit extends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. That is the meaning. Here, limit extends to a minus f of x is equal to f of a means what? And f is left continuous at x is equal to a. Limit extends to a plus, then f is right continuous at x is equal to a. Okay. So f is continuous in open interval a comma b. F is continuous in closed interval a comma b. See carefully. Dear students, graphical, how can you say here? Whenever you are drawing this picture, dear students, see without lifting the graph. Suppose so continuously we are drawing the picture means so the graph is what? Continuous. The function is called as continuous. Okay. Is the definition graphically? Okay. How do you say? F is continuous if its graph can be drawn on paper without raising the pencil. That's the meaning. Okay. A function f is said to be discontinuous when at x is equal to c if it is not continuous at the point a. Dear students, what is the meaning? See, Okay, no? If it is not continuous means it is the discontinuous. In what about interval? A function f is said to be discontinuous on an interval if it is discontinuous at least one point on the interval A. At least one point. A function f is said to be discontinuous at C under any of the following cases. One, suppose f is not defined at C, then we can say that it is discontinuous. Example C, f of x is equal to 1 by x at x is equal to 0, it is discontinuous. Why? Because what is the graph for this case, dear students? See, this is the graph. Y is equal to 1 by x. At x is equal to 0, discontinuous gap is there. 0 plus 0 minus. But x is equal to 0 undefined. That's why. Problem number 2 say case 1, okay. Case 2, limit does not exist at x is equal to C. 3. F is defined at C, but carefully, limit extends to C, f of exists, but both are not equal. Both are not equal. So any one of the cases failed means then f is said to be discontinuous at C. That is the meaning. Once again, what I'm saying here, dear students, write down all of you. F is discontinuous at x is equal to C means what? Roman number 1. Left continuity, right continuity both are existing but not equal. Case 1. Case 2. Left continuous, right continuous. I mean, left limit, right limit both are existing, are equal but not equal. Third case. F of C not defined. Fourth case. At least one of the limit does not exist. Then we can say that F is discontinuous. Right on. Proceeding for the next page, right on. This is the other example, this one. Definition. Please write down. The function f is said to be continuous at x is equal to c means what? Limit extends to c, f of x is equal to f of c. Otherwise, you can write like this also. So what is the left continuous? What is the right continuous? In the limit chapter, f of a is not there. But in this case, we are talking about f of a also. Now, I will give some examples. Get ready, dear students. So, I'm giving some examples for continuous, discontinuous. These examples are very, very important. First, I'm giving an example for discontinuous. Discontinuous, give one more example, step function. Step, what you can say, step function, it is a discontinuous, where at x is equal to integers. It belongs to Z. See, this is the example. Dear students, see f of x is how much? X cube minus 1 by x minus 1 if x not equal to 1, 4 if x is equal to 1. Fine. First of all, how to simplify, dear students? Anyone? F of 1 is how much coming? F of 1 is how much? 4. Let us see. Limit extends to 1. F of x is equal to what do you have? These type of models, what to do? First of all, you should factorize them. X minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 1. Both are cancelled, then put x equal 1, 3 is coming. But which is not equal to f of 1. Therefore, what is the meaning? F is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Please give the conclusion. Yeah, we are taking, but should be equal, Ravani. F of x is equal to 4. Finding the limit x is equal to 1 means what here? Case 1, case 2 is given. See, x not equal to 1. Limit x tends to 1 means what the case is coming here? 3 is coming. But which is not equal to f of 1. F of 1 is how much actually? 4. Both are not equal. Okay. Better. I'm giving one more example. See. Best example. See. 1 by x, dear students. Limit x tends to 0 plus. 1 by x is how much anyone in 1? Plus infinity. Limit x tends to 0 minus. Minus infinity. Limit x tends to 0. 1 by x does not exist. So means what here? Left continuous, right continuous, both are existing, but not equal here. See carefully. Therefore, 1 by x is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. Another example, please write down. One more best example. Integral part of x is discontinuous and x belongs to z. This would y. Take limit x tends to 0 plus. What is the integral part of x is coming? 0. Limit x tends to 0 minus. Integral part of x is how much? Minus 1 is coming. But it is right continuous at x is equal to 0 plus. Why? Because f of 0 is equal to 0 and limit x tends to 0 plus also 0 is coming. But these same models you can say that right continuous at x is equal to 0 plus. Okay, now? The integral part of x is what here? Discontinuous. So please write on this one. Now, see the models. If f and g come to the point, if f and g are continuous at x is equal to c, where alpha is the scalar, then f plus g is very important. Alpha f, fg, sum of two functions, product of two functions, a maximum, a minimum, are continuous at x is equal to c, when f and g both are continuous functions. Yes, student C. Both are the continuous functions. Moreover, gfc not equal to 0, suppose, then f by g is also continuous. So this one f plus g, you should write down point number 1, f plus g is continuous. Point number 2, alpha f is continuous. Point number 3, so point wise write on, submit the notes. Second point, another point. If G is continuous at x is equal to C, fine. F is continuous at G of C, at x is equal to G of C, x is equal to C. But then composite function, that is F circle G, is also continuous at x is equal to C. So all elementary functions, example, every polynomial function is continuous function, dear students. Keep in your mind. Every trigonometric, logarithmic function, exponential, and inverse trigonometric functions are always continuous at each point of their domains. At each point of their domains. Suppose x belongs to R. What about sin x is always continuous because there is no gap. Right on. So please add this point. Integrate part of x is always discontinuous. So one more example, dear students. Verify whether it is continuous or not. This is the question. Okay, f of x is equal to. So dear students, I told you modulus of x means what is the condition? X when x is greater than 0. X is equal to 0 means 0. X negative means minus x. This is the definition. Am I correct? So limit x tends to 0 plus means mod x by x is how much? 1. Limit x tends to 0 minus, that is x is cancelled minus 1. Then what you are observing, dear students? So f is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Why? See. So left hand limit, right hand limit both are existing, but not equal. Conclusion, f is not continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay. See, dear students, functions continuous on a closed interval. Okay, briefly discuss later this one. See, a function f of x is continuous on closed interval a comma b. Case 1. F of x is bounded on closed interval a comma b. There exists k comma capital K belongs to R such that k less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to k for all x belongs to a comma b. Dear students, see, sin x, what is the maximum? What is the minimum? Like that x belongs to what? Minus infinity to infinity. It is continuous upon this interval. Like that. This is the, so f of sin x is what your bounded function. Minus 1 to 1 only. Second point. F of x has minimum and maximum values on closed interval a comma b. I'm taking one example like that. Otherwise, you can remember m less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to capital M like that. You can take no problem. Third point, see, dear students, triple star question, property. Intermediate mean value theorem. if f is equal to minimum of f of x, capital M is equal to maximum of f of x. Conditions apply where x belongs to closed interval A, comma B. Then for any A satisfying the inequalities, M is less than or equal to A less than or equal to capital M, then there exists a point x naught belongs to closed interval A, comma B, for which f of x naught is equal to A. That is, it is the continuous function assumes every value between any two of its values. So intermediate value means I can give different ways, CDS ones. How to say DS one? See, for example, see like both are same. Third one, seventh one. See DS one. Best example. Third seventh one. See means what here? For example, this is the B. This is A. Seventh one I'm giving. Seventh, what is the output here? This is A. This is B. F of A is greater than 0, dear students. F of B less than 0. Seventh one I'm talking about. Then both the C, seventh one is what? Let F be a continuous function. F of A and F of B are opposite sign. Then they are existing. See the point between A and B such that F of C is equal to 0. What do you mean? There is existing at least one root between A and B. At least one root between A and B at this point. F of A and F of B are opposite sign, then there is existing at least one root between A and B, one real root. But what about the intermediate mean value theorem? I'm writing, see, what do you mean intermediate value? Yes, student, this is the meaning. X naught means in this case, you should understand A plus B by 2 is always less than B greater than A. That is the meaning here. Students, see, A plus B by 2 is existing between A and B. So try to understand the average. F of x is satisfying M and capital M, then A plus B by 2 existing between A and B. That is the meaning. Fourth one, monotonically increasing on an open interval. What the result is coming, CDS students? Left limit, right limit, both are existing, and this is the condition. F of x naught existing 0 minus and 0 plus, that is the meaning. F of x naught is what here existing between left continuous and right continuous, that is the meaning. Fifth one, F is continuous, monotonically increasing, then F inverse is existing and it is continuous. Monotonically increase means what? It is the one function and onto. It is a continuous means what? Onto function. Monotonically increasing and continuous. Then F inverse is existing, it is continuous and monotonically increasing. So based on this one, we'll discuss some examples also. Get ready to tell you. So please add these points. Now Discuss some questions. Get ready. Dear students, which of the following option is true? Let a function f be defined by f of x is equal to, what the result see? This is the question is given. Okay, what the meaning? X minus mod x by x when x not equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means what the condition is given is the f of x is given condition. Verify. Dear students, again I'm writing, I'm saying what is the condition? X greater than 0 means x negative means minus x. So put these values, what the result is coming here? In this case, x less than 0. What is the case? Anyone? X plus x by x. How much coming? 2. That's the meaning. X greater than 0. X minus x by x means 0. Remaining x not equal to 0 means what? X is equal to 0 means already function is given 2. It's not a problem. Now see, left hand limit x tends to 0 minus. What is the result? How much coming? 0 minus means how much coming? 2 is given. Fine. Right? 0 plus is how much? 0 is given. So what you are observing here, anyone? F is discontinuous and x is equal to 0. Conclusion. F is discontinuous and x is equal to 0. The rest of the cases continuous everywhere except at x is equal to 0. Dear students, see what I'm saying? F is discontinuous. Why? Left hand limit, right hand limit, both are not equal. Okay, how can you say that remaining continuous everywhere means what? Here there is no gap. Draw the line. X less than 0 means what? Dear students, see. Yeah, good doubt. Dear students, see. X less than 2 means what here? Y is equal to, dear students. Am I correct? Y is equal to means what? 1, 2. So this is the graph. Y is equal to. X is equal to 0 means what? X is equal to 0, 2. X greater than 0 means 0. That means this is the graph. Dear students, see. X greater than 0. What the answer is coming? Anyone? Y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Is there any gap? Who is asked Ravani? Y is equal to 0 right hand side. Is there any gap? No. X less than 0 means is there any gap? Y is equal to? No, continuous. But at x is equal to 0 means gap is there. This much gap. That is the meaning, continuous. Without lifting the pen, see there is no gap. Y is equal to 0 means. Ravani? At x is equal to 0 means gap is there, see. That's why. One more example, best example. So this model compulsory in the examination. Dear students, before solving, please tell me anyone, 1 by log mod x is discontinuous and x is equal to what? Anyone? Hurry up. 1 by log mod x is discontinuous and x is equal to what? Anyone? What are they? And x is equal to what? See, 1 undefined case, minus 1 undefined case, 0 like that means. So number of points discontinuous. How many are there? 3. What are they? X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1, 0. Example 1. Example 2. Get ready, dear students. 1 by sin x is discontinuous where at x is equal to what? But when is excellent here? And pi. How many points are there? Are infinitely points are there. Sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi. Fantastic, Manit. Marvelous. Example 3. 1 by x plus 2 is discontinuous at x is equal to what? Anyone? Minus 2. Correct. Good. Getting why? Gap is there at this point. Fine. Come to the question. This is the example 46C. Let y is equal to 1 by 1 by q square plus u minus 2, where u is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Then y is discontinuous only at x is equal to any one. See the solution. Dear students, consider u is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Clearly it is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Any doubt? Fine. Y is equal to f of u is given. What is that? 1 by u square plus u minus 2. Factorize them, dear students. We can get like that. See, is a discontinuous at x. U is equal to what? Minus 2 and minus 1. Fine. Okay. See, u if u is equal to minus 2, that means what here? Minus 2 is equal to 1 by x minus 1 because u is equal to 1 by x minus 1, dear students. So find the value of this one. X is equal to 1 by 2, it is a discontinuous. Why? At if u is equal to minus 2, discontinuous. For they are asking in terms of x. At x is equal to 1 by 2, it is discontinuous. Suppose u is 1. Then what is the value of x? 2. Therefore, the composite function is discontinuous only at x is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 2, 3 values, dear students. That's the meaning. How many values? Number of points. Discontinuous is 3. What are they means? One is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 2. That is the meaning. So this question can expect from for coming weekend exam. Completed? Okay, fine. Let f of x is equal to, for x not equal to 0. Dear students, f of 0 is equal to 16 power n and f is continuous function. Then find the value of a. What to do? Here, small printing mistake is there. It's not a e power nx, e power x only. Please change this one. E power x. I'm writing. If anybody confusing, I will try to see. Dear students, here. Power 2n is there. So multiply and divide with x power 2n. Dear students, that's all. By sin power n x by a. What I'm doing, x by a whole power n into x by a whole power n. Okay. Limit. Logarithm of 1 plus x by a whole power n is there. That means multiply and divide with x by a whole power n into x by a whole power n. Here, students, see, like that. What the result is coming, you can see. Here, limit extends to 0. Here, students, see carefully. Here, x power 2n, x power n, x power n cancel. A power 2n is the common factor. 1 by a power n. Limit extends to 0. But this value is how much? Directly you can write 1 by 1 into 1. A power 2n. That means f of 0 is equal to a power 2n. But condition is given 16 power n. Why? Limit extends to 0. Log 1 plus x by x is how much, dear students? 1. Similarly e power x, like that. A power 2n is equal to 16 power n means how to write? 4 power 2n, dear students. So a is how much? Comparing 4. Option D, D for Delhi. Right on? See the next question. How do you approach? Dear students, see, f maps R to R is a function. F of x is equal to, the excellent question is what, see, integral part of x cube into cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 is given, see carefully, is the function for the given. F of x is equal to integral part of x whole cube cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into pi. Tell me whether it is continuous or discontinuous. Option A, B, C. Discontinuous at x is equal to 0. B. And discontinuous only at non-zero integral value of x. C. Continuous at x is equal to 0 or everywhere. Now, integral part of x is equal to n. If n less than or equal to n, x less than n plus 1. Okay. First of all, find out directly what they put x is equal to n. Integral value. What is the answer? N cube into what is the result? Anyone? Integral part of x means what? N cube. Cos of 2n minus 1 by 2 into pi t square. Okay. So what you are observing here? Anyone? Leave it. We'll discuss. What is the value is coming? 2n minus 1 into pi by 2 means this value is 0. Is it clear? Why? Cos odd multiples of pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is how much? 0. Take n is 1, check it. 0 is coming. N belongs to integers. Okay. Now, since integral part x is continuous, where x must be does not belongs to integers, and cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into pi is what? Is continuous always. There is no gap. Okay. Clear? Then, therefore, f is what here? Product. One is discontinuous. Okay, when x is not an integer. What about this case? Therefore, f is continuous at all x belongs to x doesn't belongs to y. Directly put x is equal to n means for the case odd multiples of pi by 2, this is coming 0, verify value. F of n is coming 0. Verify this one. Take it. Take n is equal to 1. Take n is equal to 0 is coming. Okay, leave it. Now, talking about right limit, left limit, I'm talking about. Integral part of x is continuous. Cos pi is continuous. Okay, now? Be careful. Now, therefore, f is what here continuous where x is not an integer. W clear? This is the conclusion. Now, limit extends to n plus right hand limit. What the result is coming? Anyone? Extends to n plus means integral part of x becomes n cube only. Cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into pi. How much? N plus means take 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus. How much coming? 0. Limit n tends to extends to n minus. Anyone? N minus means integral part of x how much? Anyone? That is n minus whole cube. Neighborhood, check it. Cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into pi. This is also 0. Why? N is an integer. So cos of odd multiples of pi by 2 means 0. So right hand limit is 0. Left hand limit is 0. F of n is 0. Therefore, f is continuous on any real number. That's the meaning. So that is the conclusion. Dear students, n plus n minus means what here? Any number, any integer. This is in this case, what we are doing? Right continuous existing, left continuous existing, but both are equal. Like and what about f of n? S existing and equal to 0. Therefore, f is continuous everywhere, not only particular x is equal to 0. That's what talking about x belongs to integer like this. What we're talking about. You know, you should write here. I should add one more point. What is the point? For x is equal to n belongs to z, any integer. I don't right hand limit, right continuity. left current both are existing and equal right now. Dear students, see, for you, I will take small example. See, write one example. Anyone tell me? The function f of x is equal to x less than or equal to 1, defined like that. 2 less than x less than 4, that is ax plus b. 7 x greater than or equal to 4 is continuous at x is equal to and 4. Find a and b. Anyone how to find? Tell me. First I'm writing, since f is continuous at x is equal to means what is the meaning, dear students? Anyone? X less than or equal to means what directly? 2 plus f of x is equal to f of 2. That is the meaning. Let's see. Anyone? That's the meaning. X is equal to is given, f of 2 is given. Is equal to limit x tends 2 plus. That is the definition. 2 plus means where? Second function, see. That means ax plus b is equal to, what is f of 2? Directly 1 is given, f of 2. Since f of 2 is given 1. So put x is equal to 2a plus b is equal to 1. This is equation 1. And f is continuous at x is equal to 4 means what? 4 plus is here also 4 plus is given. X tends to 4 plus f of x is equal to, sorry, 4 minus is given. Is equal to f of 4. That is the definition. Limit x tends to 4 minus where, dear students? That is also second function. Ax plus b is equal to f of 4 is how much? 7c. Where is equal is given, see, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 means that is the f of 4. X is equal to means f of 2 is 1. To take like this only. Tell me now. So 4a plus b is equal to 7. This is 2. So solving 1 and 2 we get. What is the result is coming? Anyone, dear students? Anyone? Are 4a plus b is equal to 7 is given here. 4a plus b is equal to 7. 2a plus b is 1. Subtract. 2a is equal to 6. A is 3. A is 3 means how much? B is minus 5. So therefore, A is 3. B is minus 5. So these type of models are very, very important here to see. A is equal to 3. B is equal to minus 5. Getting clarity this one? So I'm taking one more model C for you. Okay? Get ready. If f of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 by x minus 2 whole square. x not equal to 2, k x is equal to is continuous for all real values. Find k. Dear students, see, you can solve any method. Okay, in this case, I'm taking since f is continuous and x is equal to what is the meaning anyone? That means f of 2 minus 0. F of 2 is equal to 2 plus 0 is equal to how much k? Right hand limit, left hand limit, both are existing and is equal to k. Why? Because f is continuous. Fine. 2 minus 0 means what is the meaning here? 2 plus 0 I'm taking directly. Anything, no problem. 2 plus f of x how much? Limit h tends to 0. What is the meaning? 2 plus h whole cube. 2 plus h whole square by 2 plus h minus 2 whole square is equal to what? K, this value. So put h is equal to 0. What is your answer, anyone? 2 cube, 2 square plus 20 by what is the case come here? Just a minute, Nana. Just a minute. Simplify first of all, how much is coming, anyone? 2 to cancel. Directly what the case is coming here? Expanding. Minus h whole h square is coming. That means, dear students, please expand this one. How much coming? 2 plus h whole cube minus 32. 2 cube is 8. That means here h cube is coming plus simplify, you can get like this one is the 7h square by expand. One is a plus b whole cube. One is a plus b whole square. Expand. Here h square cancel. What is the remaining? H plus 7 is equal to k. So k is how much? What is the another method? See, let us see. Second method. So dear students, this one how to solve. Apply long division method if it is possible is there. Apply long division method means what here? But don't write, I'm writing for you. Right, directly synthetic division method is there now. Okay, shortcut method is there. Directly. Already 2 is 0 here. That means take 1 minus 16, 20, 0, 3, minus 10, 20. So x minus 2 into x square plus 3x minus 4. Okay. Dear students, see, limit extends to 2. X square plus 3x minus 4 by x minus 2 is coming. Because x minus 2 cancel. Still, put x is equal to what the answer is coming in what? This is a minus 10, no? Yeah. Minus 10. Still, how to write this one in a one? X minus 2 into x plus 5 by these are the method. X minus 2 cancel. Put x is equal to 2 plus 5 is equal to k. So k is equal to 7. You can solve any method. Which one is easy? You can follow that one. Right on. After completing, tell me. Continuous means left continuous, right continuous, both are existing and they are equal, and f of a, I mean f of c is also existing. Right on. So once raise your hands, all of you. Very good. See the next question, last question. Get ready. Dear student, this one is another question right now. What is the question? A limit extends to 0. 1 plus x into a logarithm of 1 plus b square whole power 1 by x. How to solve this one? See. Okay. So what is the logic is there in this case? Anyone? Once again I'm saying, see, limit extends to 0. 1 plus f of x whole power g of x. 1 power infinity form is coming. What to do here? E power limit extends to 0. F of x into g of x format. See. In this case, what here? F of x tending to 0. G of x tending to infinity. See carefully. Then directly what the result is coming? Now, e power limit extends to 0. Already plus 1 plus is there. Directly we can write x into logarithm of 1 plus b square into 1 by x. X cancel, dear students. So e power logarithm of 1 plus b square because constant. So e power log both are cancelled. 1 plus b square is coming. Okay. But this value is equal what here? 1 plus b square is equal to 2b sine square theta. So what is the sine square theta? 1 plus b square by 2b square. How? This value is always greater than or equal to 1. Otherwise, I will write one more step C. 1 by b square plus b square. This value is always greater than or equal to, but into 1 by 2 means that's why greater than or equal to 1. Using AM greater than or equal to GM. Arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometry mean. So sine square there is greater than or equal to 1 means what? That means greater than 1 is not possible. That's why is equal to only 1. So sine theta can be plus or minus 1. Theta is what? Plus or minus pi by 2 is the correct answer. So option is D, D for Delhi. In this case, what dear students? AM is greater than or equal to GM. Greater than or equal to 2 is coming, but into 1 by 2 is there. That's why greater than or equal to 1. Check it here, 1 by b square plus b square also check it. B square cancel. Greater than or equal to 2 is coming, check it. Apply. What is the minimum value? 1 by b square plus b square 2. 2 into 1 by 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Now, so this is the excellent model of this question. Write down next question. This is completely based on the limits. Okay, 2b is given. Okay, no problem. I didn't observe. Okay, 2b is given. Okay, then what is the result is coming here? Just a minute, I'm changing. Now, okay, Kirti? Yeah, 1 by b plus b is always, but here also, yeah, that is also b greater than 0. Then we can apply am is greater than or equal to gm. Yes. Here also applicable. Yeah, I didn't see. D is given. Okay. Now apply option D is correct answer. Next question. See carefully. This is one of the excellent model, one of the good model. Where G is a continuous function, then what you can say about f of x? Okay, get ready. See, dear students, for these type of models, this is an excellent model. Limit extends to 0. C extends to 0 plus. Then e power minus 1 by x turning to what? Anyone? 0. X tends to 0 minus e power m x is what? Tending to 0. Please observe these points, all of you. Get ready. Note. Please write on these points. By using this property C, when they are asking limit 0 plus me should convert into like this one format. 0 minus me, this is the format. Now, see, limit extends to 0 f of x exists if, when it is possible, anyone, g of x is equal what? X into some h of x like that. Where h of x is what? A continuous function. We are talking about f of x. Limit extends to 0, f of x. Limit extends to 0, g of x into e power 1 by x minus e power minus 1 by x by like that. Okay. So what is the meaning? This is what you are discussing about this one. What about g of x? But it is the what? It is a continuous. Let us see. See carefully. If g of x is equal to a, dear students, then limit extends to 0 plus is how much? A is coming. I'm writing C. Limit extends to 0 plus f of x is how much? This value is how much? 1 is coming. So A is coming. If g of x is equal to A. Okay. Limit extends to 0 minus f of x is how much? Minus A is coming. So that means what is the case here? Limit extends to 0, f of x does not exist if f of x is equal to x plus 2 or x square plus 4 or a constant. That means what here? See carefully. Some taking their examples. The verification only this one is. Yes, students. See, take g of x equal to x plus 2, simple here, verification method. If you are taking x plus 2, what the result is coming? Just a minute, I will take simple example better. It method I am taking directly. Last question. See. We can verify option A, dear students. Option A, option B, both are same models. Dear students, suppose limit extends to 0 plus. Then x plus 2 into this value. 0 plus means this value is how much? 1. 0 plus means 2. Answer is how much? 2 is coming. Limit extends to 0 minus. This value is how much? Minus 1. That means minus 2 is coming. So it doesn't exist. Option A failed. Option B failed. Option D not possible because it's a constant means. Okay, why? Because limit extends to 0 plus f of x is equal, if you're taking k into 1, k into minus 1. So constant function is also not possible. So g of x is equal to x into h of x, where h of x is what? Is a polynomial. That's the meaning. What is the meaning, dear students? H of x is a polynomial. If g of x is, suppose, example, x into x plus 2, x into x square plus 4, such type of case only existing. Completely in terms of x only, there is no constant term is required. So tomorrow also we discuss this question. Please remind me. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.